What if the next world-changing invention wasn't created in a Silicon Valley lab, but on the front lines of war? From stealthy drones to mind-boggling hypersonic missiles, the military has long been the birthplace of some of the most groundbreaking technologies. So how exactly have these innovations from radar to quantum computing shaped the world we live in today? Let's dive into the military technologies that didn't just change warfare, they revolutionized our entire way of life. Number 8. Radar revolution. Radar technology, which began during World War II, was a game-changer for military defense. The first radar systems were primarily used to detect enemy aircraft, ships, and submarines. The British were pioneers in radar during the war, creating systems that could detect incoming bombers well before they arrived, helping to protect London from aerial attacks. The post-war era saw radar evolving from a tool for military defense to a civilian necessity. Today, radar is everywhere. It helps pilots navigate through storms, is integral to self-driving cars, and is used in weather forecasting. But its military roots remain clear. Modern radar systems continue to be crucial in tracking military assets and ensuring air superiority. Radar technology has moved into the realm of high definition and 3D imaging, even being integrated into autonomous vehicles for real-time object detection and collision avoidance. Number 7. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a massive leap forward in computational power, with implications for everything from cryptography to artificial intelligence. The military's interest in quantum computing dates back to the 1980s, but only in the last decade has it moved into the realm of tangible possibilities. Major advancements in quantum cryptography are taking shape. For example, quantum key distribution is now being tested for secure communications that are virtually immune to hacking, even by the most powerful supercomputers. This technology would ensure military communications and data remain secure in an era of ever-evolving cyber threats. But it's not just about security. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize areas like logistics, simulation of weapons systems, and the analysis of large datasets, making military operations faster and more efficient than ever before. For example, the U.S. Department of Defense has invested heavily in quantum research, particularly for improving cryptography, radar, and surveillance. Number 6. AI-powered autonomous warfare. Artificial intelligence has been integrated into military technologies over the last decade, with autonomous systems now actively deployed in combat scenarios. AI plays a key role in unmanned systems, such as drones and robotic ground vehicles, which are used to reduce human casualties and perform missions in dangerous areas. AI-powered drones are able to make decisions in real time, analyzing vast amounts of data from the battlefield. For instance, the U.S. Air Force is currently testing the Skyborg program, which aims to develop AI-controlled autonomous fighter jets that could complement human pilots in combat. AI-driven systems are designed to carry out precision strikes, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions with minimal human intervention. These technologies not only reduce human risk, but also offer faster decision-making capabilities. However, they also raise ethical concerns about autonomy in warfare, including the risk of unintended escalation and the potential for AI to make life-and-death decisions without human oversight. Number 5. Advanced drone surveillance. Drones are no longer a novelty, they've become indispensable in modern warfare. The U.S. military, among others, has integrated drones for surveillance, intelligence gathering, and targeted strikes for years. But the technology is advancing quickly. Drones are equipped with increasingly sophisticated sensors, such as synthetic aperture radar, infrared cameras, and high-definition video, allowing them to collect vast amounts of intelligence from the air. For example, the U.S. MQ-9 Reaper drone is capable of conducting surveillance over extended periods, tracking enemy movements in real time, and delivering precision strikes with a deadly degree of accuracy. Additionally, drones are now a critical part of global monitoring operations. They are used to monitor maritime traffic, border security, and even to track the movements of military forces. The integration of AI into drones has further enhanced their capabilities, allowing them to identify and respond to targets autonomously. Number 4. Hypersonic Aircraft. Hypersonic aircraft, capable of traveling at speeds greater than Mach 5, around 3,800 miles per hour, represent the future of military aviation. These vehicles are not just fast, they're capable of evading existing missile defense systems due to their extreme speed and maneuverability. Both the US and China have made significant strides in hypersonic technology. For example, the US Air Force successfully tested its AGM-183A air-launched rapid response weapon hypersonic missile, which can travel at speeds greater than Mach 20. This missile is designed to deliver payloads quickly and with precision, making it difficult for traditional defense systems to intercept. The implications of hypersonic weapons are profound. They can potentially change the balance of global military power, offering nations a significant strategic advantage. These aircraft could be used for rapid strike capabilities, potentially targeting high-value assets like enemy air defenses, radar systems, or military installations. Number 3. Electronic warfare. In the 21st century, cyber and electronic warfare are just as important as traditional weapons. Electronic warfare includes jamming enemy communications, disrupting radar, and using sophisticated cyber tools to disable critical infrastructure. One of the key components of modern electronic warfare is the use of cyber defense mechanisms and anti-jamming technology. For example, the US military has developed tools that can neutralize enemy communications by jamming their satellite systems or even send misleading signals to enemy radar. This digital battlefield is becoming more important as more and more warfare is fought in the cyber domain. Nations like the US, China, and Russia are investing heavily in electronic warfare capabilities, using them to disrupt or neutralize enemy operations without ever firing a shot. Number 2. Directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons use concentrated beams of energy like lasers or microwaves to disable or destroy enemy targets. These weapons represent the cutting edge of non-kinetic military technology, as they can disable electronics without causing widespread destruction. The US military has made notable progress with its high-energy laser mobile demonstrator, which is capable of shooting down drones and missiles. Directed energy weapons offer precision, low-cost targeting, and the ability to fire multiple shots without the need for ammunition. These systems are already being tested on ships and at military bases. The beauty of directed energy weapons is their precision and lack of collateral damage. Unlike traditional explosives, directed energy weapons can be used to disable enemy electronics or incoming missiles, with pinpoint accuracy giving military forces a potentially game-changing tool for modern defense. Number 1. Robotic Exoskeleton. Robotic exoskeletons are wearable devices that augment the strength, endurance, and mobility of soldiers. These exoskeletons are designed to reduce fatigue and enhance physical capabilities in the field. The U.S. Army has been testing exoskeleton systems like the Human Universal Load Carrier and Fortis exoskeleton, which help soldiers carry heavy loads over long distances. These systems can increase mobility, reduce the risk of injury, and even assist in medical rehabilitation for soldiers who have been injured. In the future, exoskeletons could become standard issue for soldiers, providing them with the strength and endurance to perform tasks that would otherwise be impossible. These technologies are also being explored for use in medical and rehabilitation settings, showing that military innovation often has wide-ranging applications for society. And there you have it, mind-blowing military technologies that have shaped our world in ways we never imagined. From the skies to the battlefield, these innovations are just the tip of the iceberg in how technology continues to evolve. But here's the real question. What's next? What military tech will we see in the next decade that will change our lives even more? If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fascinating content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What military tech are you most excited about? We'd love to hear from you.